Hey guys, Texas Sky Drones. Today we have this little toy helicopter, remote control helicopter. Comes with a little controller. Oops. This is the box. It has a little landing zone with it. It's the XB Blaze Elite remote helicopter. It's $5 at Five Below, and we're gonna try to fly this sucker. See how it goes. Looks like we have the, what is it, 3 axis, up and down, left and right. I imagine that's gonna yaw left, yaw right. This is accelerate or altitude, lower altitude. Some trim buttons. Here's trim, corrected trim, power button, and okay, we're gonna fly it. See how we see if I can fly this guy. Alrighty. I have this little $5 helicopter, toy helicopter, and we're gonna fly around to see how it goes, see how it flies. So I got it paired up, have full battery, and we're just gonna take off, see what happens. Okay. Whoa. That was enough. Okay, I think we're paired. I'm gonna take off. Yes. Oh. I just that was kind of. Let's put that back on there. Let's try it again. It's like we have to point at it. We got it full. Try to fix the trim. Other side. Oh. We land. Go get it. Start again. Adjust the trim. There it is. Got control of it. And battery's out. That's it. Okay, we're gonna reset. Looks like you have to point it right at the aircraft. Okay, here we go. We're going to adjust the trim. Other way. Looks like it just quits. Oop. Okay, try this again. spins. There we go. Now we got control of it. Whoa! Whoa! It'll fall right in the water. Go get that. Let's see if it looks like we lost our rudder. So let's see if it flies without the rudder. Nope. Where is it? There it is, right there. Don't know if I'm going to be able to fix that. Nope. It's a $5 toy, so nope. Uncontrollable. Well, looks like our fun is over. That was a cool little toy, has it will outlast. Wait a minute. Got some control. Let's try that again. Try that again. Nope. Okay, well, we're going to go ahead and call it a day. Had good 10 minutes of fun till that rotor broke. So I hope you enjoy the video. Bye. Okay guys, what I did was I grabbed a lighter and I kind of soldered that the rudder back onto the airplane tail. So I'm not done flying this thing. I had so much fun flying it. Had to try something. So it looks like it's on there pretty good. So this time it's hard to, I'm gonna go over to the train tracks, fly it from the train tracks, and then we'll be flying it over the grass rather than the concrete or the street. So I'm gonna place that on this old abandoned railroad track. There's no train. No, trains don't fly, ride on this railroad anymore. It's retired. So I'm gonna make sure it's turned on. We're gonna fly it again. Yep, we're on. So I think we have a little bit more battery. So we got to point the controller at the. Looks like it's starting to. The battery's starting to die. I'll put it on top of this rail. Okay. Yeah, I think the battery's dying. Okay, well, just throw it up in the air and see what happens. Get it back on this track. Oh, I think we're out of juice. Okay, well, this is going to end it. That's a little $5 helicopter from Five Below. Pretty fun. Okay. Bye.